You're gonna do a wrist roll into a wrist roll. The wrist roll comes from the figure eight. You're gonna go into what's called a negative grip, and then you're gonna spin with this negative grip, and then wrist roll coming back. To wrist roll, you bring it to the top of your hand, open your hand, turn it to catch it, and then you bring it back the opposite way. So slowly, and when you drop it, pick it up. But you're gonna go wrist roll, do some spins, wrist, you're gonna pull it over. So it goes to the back of your hand. You're gonna open the hand, turn the hand over, catch it. Oh, and if you drop it, get up, catch it, whap it. All I did was turn my hand, bring it around, open, catch, turn around, open, catch. This is a simple wrist roll. Inside, bicep side, the outside, the tricep side. So you're going forward and back, and it's as simple as turning your hand down and pulling it up, turn it down, pull it up. You got the stick in it, down and up when it comes down. You're gonna pinch the arm down, just drop that chicken wing in there and squeeze it tight. As you're squeezing it tight, you're creating tension there, and you're gonna push on your wrist like that, creating tension, and when you release it, it becomes a strike to his face for self-defense. Orbital, upper arm. I'm gonna point it here, and then you see this out of the corner of your eye flying, and boom, and then you crash into your head, you smack yourself, you break your glasses, and that's because you pointed this at your head. That's the only way it does it. And again, think of this as a strike down, keeping them away from you. They're reaching in, that's pulling up, that's deflecting or knocking away their hand, their punch, and maybe they got that knife. Think of it as vertical. When you use it for self-defense, right through the middle, right? Either they're trying to grab or they're getting really close, top of the head. You can hear it, I'm sure you can hear it, especially with these metal chucks. And then you catch it. You catch it by pushing your elbow, pulling your elbow down. And notice that your hand turns down this way, thumb facing the dirt, so that you can get it into this position here. As it's here, you're squeezing this against your body, and you're pushing your hand, your wrist away that's holding the chuck to create tension on the chain. Once you release the tension, it becomes a strike. So you do a couple orbitals, a couple upper arms, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Hand, your wrist away that's holding the chuck to create tension on the chain. Once you release the tension, it becomes a strike. So you do a couple orbitals, a couple upper arms, squeeze, 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 pop. Here at the end, maximum power. You need to follow through on your strikes. If you don't want to bash your knuckles, don't stop your strike right here. If you don't want it to bounce off of him and come back and do wrist roll on each side, and by the time you get there, it should be a lot smoother. And depending on the length of your chain, your hand is going to find the right spot. Your hand, and when you bring it in here, you're going to allow that to bounce back there, and you're going to pinch it down, squeezing, and then at the same time, you're going to put tension by pushing your wrist forward, and you're going to squeeze, tension, and release. So this is also a Bruce Lee arm, front and back. This is so super simple. You're just turning your wrist down and turning it up. When it comes down, you catch it by pulling your chicken wing down. I call it a chicken wing. You chicken wing it, squeeze there, and as you're squeezing, you're pushing, just like you're pushing your thumb forward. You're pushing to create tension. Then you release that tension as a, we go side to side. We did our orbitals, we did our figure. Oh, here we go, another Bruce Lee move. We're gonna do the upper arm, front and back. This is so super simple. You're just turning your wrist down and turning it up. When it comes down, you catch it by pulling your chicken wing down. I call it a chicken wing. You chicken wing it, squeeze there, and as you're squeezing, you're pushing, just like you're pushing your thumb forward. You're pushing to create tension. Then you release that tension as a strike. So Bruce Lee in the movie, and again, Bruce Lee learned it from Dan Inosanto. Dan Inosanto learned it from his instructor. We've all learned it from each other. It's been around for years and years and years. We're spinning, you do the upper arm, you catch, it's just a timing thing, pop them in the eye, switch to the other hand, spin it a couple times, do the upper arm, catch, it's as simple as that. Squeeze here against your body as you push your hand forward, and then release. And that release is a strike into his face, right? So now you have a whole bunch of tricks. Putting it there and letting it wrap around your shoulder. It's not gonna hurt you in the back. You just come across and back. Diagonal strike, it's very effective for self-defense. And then a horizontal strike. And as you come across, you're gonna learn how to do this basic wrist roll with your nunchucks. You're gonna start with your hand close to the string or the chain, and you're just gonna flip it up. Once it's up, open your hand, and you're gonna turn your hand over so that it grabs on the other side. You're gonna turn it over here. Now you're in what's called a negative grip. This allows you to also spin it this way and strike with it. From here, you're gonna spin it back over the wrist, open the hand, and turn it back to catch it. So you can practice this, bring it over 1, 2, just over and over again, just in this motion. Once you get it down, you can put it into your figure 8 and throw the wrist right in the middle of your chuck. You're gonna bring your hand up, allowing it to drop behind your arm. You're gonna reach across the body in the front, grab it, bring it to the other side with that reverse diagonal strike, reach in front of your body, grab it. As you're grabbing it, you can see that you're bringing your hand to the bottom of your elbow, bring it across. When you're ready to go forward, you're gonna reverse it, bring it in the forward diagonal strike, put your hand there on the bottom of your elbow, turning your hand up. When you turn it up, it'll go right into the web of your hand there. Bring it across to the other side. Once you've got it, then you can speed it up. You can go into an orbital spin, do a figure 8, bring it to the other side, do a spin, bring it to the other side. Bruce Lee triangle, simple move. It's 3 strikes. It's that diagonal strike, horizontal, vertical. Put it in your other hand. Again, hold at the very end. We're gonna practice this. You wanna learn how to use nunchucks like Bruce Lee. It's super simple. He did basic moves, but he did them really well with intensity. Start with your hand in the middle of your chuck. You're gonna go for a forward rotation. You're just pushing forward and then stop and pull it back. You need to be able to go in both directions. Go forward again, and then you're gonna turn your hand over to the other side of your body, do the same thing. Putting those 2 motions together gives you a basic figure 8. Once you get a figure 8 motion down, I want you to go up and down. Bruce Lee moves are basic, but they're done really, really well. That means practice, practice, practice. Add that spin down and this spin up. From here, you're gonna go to your hip and back to that shoulder. Go from one hip to the other hip, bring it back to the shoulder, hip, hip, shoulder. Now you've got a Bruce Lee triangle. Go back into your spin, do a figure 8, go back into the Bruce Lee triangle, and you've got some basic Bruce Lee skills.